everyone, this is Kate with Scott Loren Marketing. Today, I want to cover with you how to create an open house sign-in sheet on your KW website. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your actual physical KW website. So this is one of the few things that's done outside of the website dashboard. So as you can see, we are on scottleroymarketing.kw.com. Now, once we're here, we want to find the property that we are doing an open house for. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of these in the featured listings. We're going to go ahead and go with this front one right here. And I'm going to click into that listing. Now, you could also search for your property if you have a specific one that you are looking for. You can type that in and get to this same page that way. Once we are on this information page about the property, we want to simply click into our search bar. Now we're highlighted over the whole URL. What we want to do is click off of that and be at the back of it. And we want to do a backslash, and then we want to type open house. Now, once you type open house, you just want to hit enter on your keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And we're going to give this a couple of seconds. It should update this page. Now, as you can see, it looks somewhat similar, but slightly different. There's not all of the other information about the property anymore. It's kind of removed that. You still have all of the photos right here on the front. And then below that, you have a little bit of information about the property. And then you have a field here where they can insert their information. So if we just go ahead and type Scott here, we'll do his last name. I'm just going to do SLM testing at testing.com. So I don't want this to really go through. And then of course we can add the phone number as well. Let me go ahead and just grab that really quick. We'll just grab that right here. We're going to plug that in. And then we do have to make sure whoever's filling this out, client, is checking those boxes, those disclaimers at the bottom, and then they can go ahead and hit submit. Now, once they hit submit, they're given a little bit more information, information about you specifically. They're given some information about the property here. They're also given a QR code where they can check out this property a little bit more if they'd like to. Then this contact would be brought over into your command contacts as a new lead. It's going to let you know what property it was for, everything like that. So you can then grab this URL. If we go back, you can grab this URL here and start sharing this. You can create a QR code for it, whatever you'd like. It's going to be this exact same page each time. So super awesome way to capture those leads and have them imported directly into your command when someone fills that out. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please email us at support@scottlorenmarketing.com. We would be happy to help. Have a wonderful day.